Is your site getting the error establishing a database connection in WordPress? Well, keep watching. I'll show you several different troubleshooting techniques that you can use to fix this problem. When we had to do this for our site, it took about 20 minutes, so go ahead and give yourself a little bit of time to work through these. You'll also want to make sure that you have an FTP client so that you can connect to your website from the back end. You can get your login credentials from your hosting provider. So this is what it will look like. First thing you want to do is make sure that you get an error from the front end as well as the back end. When you try and access your admin area, if you get something like this, then you'll want to try and repair the database. To do that, connect to your website with your FTP client, scroll down, and we're looking for our wp-config file. We want to download this locally, and then you can open it with a text editor. Any text editor will do. I have Notepad++, so I'll use that. You want to scroll all the way down to below. That's all. Stop editing and start a new line. And we want to paste this bit of code in there. This will allow it to try and repair the database. So we need to save that and upload it back to our site. So go back to the FTP client, click upload. We want to overwrite this. Once you add that bit of code, head over to this URL and click repair and optimize database. And that should fix it. If you're still getting the error establishing database connection like you see here, then we'll move on to the next step. The next thing we want to do is go back to our wp-config file, and we want to make sure that all of our information is correct, specifically all of the database information. Once you verify that everything looks okay, and if you've seen any issues that you've made changes to, then go ahead and upload it and try it again. If you still see the error, then you can change your DB host from localhost to the actual IP address. That works for some people, especially people who are running the local server environment. So you can try that. And then finally, you want to check your web host MySQL server. If your site gets inundated with a lot of traffic, then basically your server just can't handle the requests. So that might be what's happening as well. This will require you to contact your support for your host and see if they can help you out with that. Once you've identified and fixed anything with your wp-config file, go back and see if it works again. Your site should come back up. Did you learn something from today's video? If so, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll send more helpful tips to help you manage your WordPress website. And thanks for watching.